Welcome to this gamblingsites.org how-to video. Today we're focusing on another system for counting cards in Blackjack, the Wong Halves System. This video will describe the system in detail and help you decide if it might be the right one for you. If you haven't watched our introductory videos into card counting, make sure you watch those first before advancing here. The Wong Halves system is one of the more difficult to use, but it is a strong system. It's a level 3 system, and it's one of the only card counting systems that our writers could find that uses fractions. Wait! Don't click away just yet, fraction haters. There is a workaround that eliminates the fractions, though it does add some complications to the system elsewhere. You'll see more as we get into it. In this system, you have to track 3 different values. For any aces or 10s, you'll subtract 1. Any 3s, 4s, and 6s, you'll add 1. 8s are worth 0, those are the easy ones. For any 9s, you'll subtract 1/2. Any 2s and 7s, you'll add 1/2. 3s, 4s, and 6s, you'll add 1. And for any 5s, you'll add 1.5. If you want to eliminate the fractions, just double all of the values. Aces and 10s worth -2, 9s worth -1, 2s and 7s worth +1, 3s, 4s, and 6s worth +2, 5s worth +3. Still complicated, but it might be easier for those of you who are expert enough for this system, but fundamentally opposed to using fractions. Regardless of how you are counting, the Wong Halves system will get you a running count, which you'll need to convert into a true count. So whatever your number is from the system we just described, you'll need to divide that number by how many decks you believe remain in the shoe at the time. If you're using the version without the fractions, you'll also want to divide that number in half to avoid thinking that the shoe is twice as good for you or as bad for you as it actually is. The Wong Halves system is a hard system to learn and even more challenging to implement, which is why we only recommend it to the most dedicated card counters who might be up for a challenge. It's an interesting system to learn about, but might be more trouble than it's worth. We have plenty of additional videos and articles for you to make sure that you are the best blackjack player that you can be, including plenty more within the advanced blackjack section. So make sure to check out our website, gamblingsites.org, for even more on the game.